Well, hello again, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my cooking channel. I'm Roger. You can call me Rog, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Today I'm going to make for you a very simple yet very tasty soup, and it's a very cheap soup because I'm going to make a chicken and mushroom soup with a couple of added vegetables. But the chicken comes from leftover Sunday lunch when we had a roast chicken. I'm all against waste. I don't like wasting food, so this is very fulfilling, very tasty, very nourishing. So please stay with me and we'll start now right away. Here I've got assembled all the ingredients that we need for this soup that we're going to make today. Let's show you one at a time. We're going to need some olive oil and some butter for the cooking. We're going to use half a leek, half a carrot, half an onion and half a stick of celery. Some chicken ready cooked, 200 to 300 grams of these what they call closed cup mushrooms, or just white mushrooms, or any mushrooms really. Some cream, some thyme, some salt, some pepper, some good quality chicken stock, and some milk for topping up with. And if it's not thick enough, a touch of corn flour when we're finished. Now we can move all these to one side, and then we're going to make a start by chopping up all the ingredients here that we've got here. Then we take a saucepan. In here we put some olive oil or vegetable oil, it's entirely up to you, and a hefty chunk of butter. In it goes. Now we can quickly melt this down. Add the vegetables. We can fry these off until they're softened. It won't take too long because I've cut them quite small. Okay, so this is starting to cook down really nicely. It's time to add the mushrooms. Now we can add the stock, about 1/4 litre. And some cream, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, give this a stir. Now some seasoning, some black pepper and some salt. Now it's been about 10-15 minutes now, so all of this is pretty much cooked. It's time to go in with the chicken, which, as you remember, is already cooked. Now I'm going to take half of this soup out, put it into a jug and give it a good old whiz. This can then go back in. Now the idea is that it's a reasonably smooth soup, but it's still got a bit of texture to it. That's the whole reason for not whizzing the whole pan up. Now here I have a mug full of whole milk along with 2 teaspoons of corn flour. In that goes. Wait for this to thicken. And then we're done. My work here is over. And now to try this excellent chicken and mushroom soup. Well, it's certainly packed full of flavour with the added vegetables. It's really nice. You should try this for yourself. It's so easy, cheap, economical. I like that word, cheap. Well, yeah, it's good. And thank you so much for watching my video, my latest video, chicken and mushroom soup. Who would have thought it could taste so delicious? Anyway, thank you once again, everybody. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It's free. And I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.